Is your Siemens EQ6 acting weird, like menu glitches, sensor errors, or unresponsive buttons? Sometimes a simple factory reset is all it takes to bring it back to life. Let's walk through it step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should be back to default settings and working normally. Step 1. Enter the settings menu, turn on the machine, then tap the menu icon on the display. Scroll to Settings and tap to enter. Step 2. Select Factory Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll to Factory Settings or Reset to Factory Settings. The wording may vary slightly by model. Step 3. Confirm the reset. Tap OK or Confirm when prompted. This will reset your EQ6 back to its original out-of-the-box settings. It won't delete firmware updates, just your preferences, custom drink settings, and maintenance reminders. Step 4. Recalibrate after reset. Optional. After restarting, re-enter your preferred temperature setting, strength level, language, any Wi-Fi or network settings, if applicable. Step 5. Run a rinse cycle to finish clean. Go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Rinse Appliance. This helps clear out any lingering errors and resets the brew path. Still having issues after the reset? There could be a hardware fault or sensor failure. We've linked Siemens support in the description if you need help. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance guides. Got another EQ6 issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!